Hey, DIY enthusiasts, welcome back to another exciting project. Ever dreamed of building your own electric car? Imagine cruising around in a vehicle you built with your own hands. Well, today, I'm going to show you how to make a simple electric car that you can actually drive. It's easier than you might think. Let's dive in. This project is perfect for anyone who loves tinkering and creating. First things first, safety is key. We can't stress this enough. Always wear safety goggles and gloves when working with tools and electrical components. Safety should always be your top priority. Trust me, your future self will thank you. A little precaution goes a long way. Alright, here's what you'll need. A small electric motor, a battery pack, a speed controller, some wheels, and a chassis. These are the core components of your electric car. You'll also need some basic tools like screwdrivers, a drill, and a soldering iron. These tools will help you put everything together. Ready? Let's get started. This is where the fun begins. Step 1. Build your chassis. This is the foundation of your car. You can use metal pipes or even wood if you're on a budget. Both materials have their pros and cons. Just make sure it's sturdy enough to hold all the components and you. A strong chassis is crucial for safety and performance. Attach the wheels to the chassis using bolts and nuts. This step is essential for mobility. Make sure they spin freely. Proper wheel alignment ensures smooth movement. Next up, step 2. Install the electric motor. This is the heart of your car. Mount the motor securely to the chassis. A well-secured motor is vital for efficient power transfer. Connect the motor to the rear wheels using a chain or belt. This connection is what will drive your car forward. This is what will make your car move. It's an exciting moment when you see the wheels turn for the first time. Step 3. Battery pack installation. This is your car's power source. Place the battery pack on the chassis, close to the motor. Positioning is key for balance and efficiency. Secure it with brackets or straps so it doesn't move around. A stable battery ensures consistent power delivery. Connect the battery to the motor using thick gauge wires. These wires need to handle the current without overheating. Be careful with the connections. Proper connections prevent short circuits and ensure safety. Now step 4. Add the speed controller. This component gives you control over your car's speed. The speed controller goes between the battery and the motor. It regulates the power flow. This will let you control how fast your car goes. Adjusting the speed is crucial for safe driving. Attach the throttle to the speed controller and mount it in a convenient spot. This is your accelerator. Finally, step 5. Test it out. This is the moment of truth. Double-check all your connections and make sure everything is secure. A thorough check can prevent mishaps. Turn on the power and give it a gentle push to see if the wheels start spinning. This initial test is crucial. If everything looks good, hop on and take it for a spin. Enjoy the fruits of your labor. And there you have it. A simple homemade electric car. A simple homemade electric car. It's a great starting point for more advanced projects. Remember, this is a basic build to get you started. There's plenty of room for customization. There's so much more you can do to customize and improve it. The possibilities are endless. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more awesome DIY projects. Your support means a lot. And if you decide to build your own electric car, share your experience in the comments below. We'd love to see your creations. I'd love to hear all about it. Your feedback and stories inspire us. Thanks for watching and happy building. Until next time, keep creating and innovating.